Hello, today we'll be walking through the UMBC transfer application process. UMBC is a member of the Common Application. To apply for admission, you must submit the completed Common Application, a $75 application fee, and official transcripts from all previously attended colleges or universities. The first step will be to create a Common Application account. If you are a transfer student, please make sure to select the transfer application, then enter all required information. Be aware that you may have important notifications on your Common Application. You can view notifications by clicking on the bell icon. You will then add UMBC to your Common Application by typing University of Maryland, Baltimore County into the search bar. You will see information such as the application term, deadline, and application fee. Then hit the plus sign and continue. UMBC has a non-refundable $75 application fee. You can obtain an application fee waiver by creating a UMBC Transfer Central account. When you are preparing to apply, please note the deadlines for the fall and spring semesters. Your application must be completed by the posted deadline. After the deadline, we admit on a space available basis. Please reach out to the undergraduate admissions team if you have a question about applying after the deadline, but we recommend that you get connected with the UMBC admissions team as soon as possible. Getting connected to UMBC sooner may allow you to participate in our member benefit programs, such as our Transfer Student Alliance. You can apply whenever you are ready. You do not need to finish an associate's degree prior to transferring. You will need to include your previous academic history on the Common Application. Use this section to add all of your previous institutions. Please include all required information. Not including all previous institutions may delay or hinder your application. Once your application is submitted, please order an official transcript from each previous higher education institution to be sent to UMBC. You can do this directly from the Common App or request your transcript from your institution. Electronic transcripts are strongly preferred. Please only submit official transcripts. If admitted, please send final transcripts with grades for any in-progress coursework. Applicants with less than 30 credits are also required to submit high school transcripts. Applicants should also submit high school transcripts if they are seeking to demonstrate proficiency in a foreign language based upon high school coursework. UMBC requires foreign language proficiency through the 201 level. This can be satisfied with the equivalent high school coursework. You will then be able to add any supporting information to your Common Application profile. This may help the admissions committee have a better idea of you as a well-rounded applicant. UMBC also requires specific application information. Click on Program Materials to begin this section, then select your undergraduate entry term. Please complete all required information. If you are seeking in-state residency classification, admission to the Honors College, or interested in our Shady Grove location, please pay special attention to those questions on the application. You will also be asked to select and respond to an essay prompt. You do not need to write this essay in one sitting. Please take your time and answer the question to the best of your ability. There are no required additional documents for your application. Standardized test scores are optional. To receive credit for AP exams, you must have an official advanced placement score report sent to the UMBC Office of Undergraduate Admissions and Orientation. You may also submit up to 2 recommendation letters, but these are not required. Once you have completed all required information, you are ready to submit your application. You are then able to check the status of your application on the Status tab. Applicants can expect an email decision notification 3 to 4 weeks from the time a completed application is received by the Office of Undergraduate Admissions. If you have any questions, please contact admissions@umbc.edu.